Green day for today. Today, there were many opportunities in the market to enter input with bullish engulfing pattern. The first bullish engulfing pattern appeared right here because this bullish involved the previous candle. It is a clear enter in call stop below and exit with 4 or 5 green candle. Exit always take profit. The first trade, remember always wait, wait, wait for the next one good trade, one good trade, one good trade, like this, so on and so forth. This way, you're gonna trade in quality. And the second bullish engulfing right here appeared 12:55 right here because the bullish engulfing involved the below candle, enter in call, stop below, exit. Today is a green day, exit right here, 5 green candle in row. This is the best way today to trade bullish engulfing. And from here, I didn't see nothing to enter in the trade. Only 2 trade for today. And for tomorrow, Thursday, October 2nd, if the price open below the previous day, remember, only if the price open below, we have a clear bearish engulfing. However, if the price open above right here, if the price open above, let me change the color. If the price open above, this is a clear, strong support level right here at 669.37 right here. If on the other hand, again, if the price open below this level, it is a strong resistance level. Keep in mind for tomorrow because today it was a green day and tomorrow will be another day, whether in green or in put. We trade only with specific patterns. We do not speculate. We trade with candlestick, whether it's bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, support level, resistance level. Always try to do chart simple, clear, clean like this as am I, because this way your focus will be more accurate. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.